Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? Today we have to do exercise of chapter number 5, fit and healthy. We have to start question number 5. The graph shows how the risk of dying from lung cancer is affected by the number of cigarettes smoked per day. Here is a graph. Cigarettes smoked per day are taken on the x-axis. And increased risk of dying from the lung cancer is along the y-axis. Now question number 1. What does the graph indicate? The graph indicates that the risk of dying from the lung cancer is directly proportional to the number of cigarettes smoked per day. That is, as the number of cigarettes smoked per day increases, the risk of dying from the lung cancer also increases. Number 2, what is the risk of dying from lung cancer for someone who smokes A. 5 cigarettes a day? We have to calculate it from the graph. Here along the x-axis there are number of cigarettes smoked per day. 5 cigarettes are indicated from here. We will draw a line that will cut the graph at this point, and the line correspond along the x-axis, along the y-axis correspond to this line is this, and we come to know that the risk of dying from lung cancer for someone who smokes 5 cigarettes per day is 7x. 40 cigarettes per day is 28x, and it is calculated from the graph. We have drawn a line from 40 cigarettes that will touch the graph at this point, and we have drawn a line, this line, and it indicates that it is 28x. Explain why smoking can damage your health. The answer is on page number 65 and 66. We have to start from this line. Tobacco smoke contains a lot of harmful chemicals. Nicotine is a poison which damages the heart, blood vessels and nerve. Only up to this. Again, second point, tars. Tars stick to the inside of the lungs when smoke cools. Up to this. Then from this line, carbon monoxide is a poisonous gas. Up to this line, this makes smoker cough. Part 4. Suggest how young people should be educated so that they do not start smoking. But young people should be educated so that they do not start smoking by giving them awareness about the harmful chemicals that are found in tobacco, that is nicotine, tar, carbon monoxide, cyanide and ammonia, and their harmful effects on human organ system. By telling them about the diseases that are caused by smoking like bronchitis, emphysema. Smoking may lead to cancer in lungs, kidneys, oral cavity, larynx, breast, bladder and pancreas. Smoking also affects the social life of a person. Smoker may face social unacceptance because other people may not want to be exposed to others' smoke. Smoking is also responsible for the weakening and staining of the teeth. Next question, question number 6. List 10 ways in which the people in the picture are staying healthy. But you can see in the picture that people are doing different activities to keep themselves fit and healthy. Here we can see people are swimming. Swimming is a very good exercise. Here they are doing boating. Some people are doing exercise on the cycles. Some are skating. Some are running on the scooty. And some are simply running. These people are playing football in the playground. Here some children are taking exercise by doing sliding on the slide. Question number 7. Explain the following statements about drugs. First statement, a person with a headache could take paracetamol. Beta, because paracetamol is a painkiller, it gives relief to the pain. Second statement, anesthetics are used by dentists. Dentists use anesthetic to numb part of the mouth. Number 3, you can be arrested by the police for possessing heroin. Beta, we can be arrested by police for possessing heroin because the use or possession of controlled drugs such as cannabis, cocaine and heroin is illegal in most part of the world. Number 4 statement, all drugs are dangerous. Beta, not all drugs are dangerous. They are useful too. They give us relief. They give us relief from pain and calm down in anxiety. Overuse of drug is dangerous because excess of everything is bad. Thank you.